Okay, so I just came across this project called Superhuman Reasoning by Google-deepmind, and it's all about advanced math reasoning in AI.
Wait, seriously. Superhuman reasoning? That sounds wild. What exactly are they doing?
Right? They have this thing called alpha geometry that's designed to tackle complex geometric problems at a high level.
That's fascinating. So it's not just solving math problems, but actually doing geometry at an advanced level.
Exactly, they even had a paper in Nature about it. It's like AI is taking on the International Mathematical Olympiad challenges.
Wow, that's impressive. But I wonder about the implications. Are we sure they're really grasping the concepts?
Good point. I mean, tackling these problems doesn't mean it fully understands them, right? It's more about problem-solving patterns.
Totally. And that leads me to think, can this AI actually innovate in math or just replicate human reasoning?
Exactly, like if it can generate new math proofs but doesn't understand them, is that true intelligence?
Speaking of proofs, I heard they also created a suite called IMO Bench to evaluate robust mathematical reasoning.
Yes, they have different problem sets, like IMO Answer Bench for short answers and IMO Proof Bench for proof-based problems.
That's a lot of benchmarks, but I wonder how these benchmarks are constructed. Are they really indicative of true reasoning?
That's a valid concern. If the benchmarks are too narrow, then the AI might excel in those but fail in broader reasoning.
Right, it makes me think about the limitations of these evaluations. Are we just creating a math robot?
Exactly, but what's intriguing is they've developed Alethea, a math research agent that can generate and revise solutions.
Oh, that's super interesting. So it's like AI can refine its own answers. That sounds a bit like self-learning.
Yes, it can iteratively improve its solutions, like brainstorming with itself, but I still question the depth of understanding.
I'm not entirely convinced either. It's one thing to generate answers and another to comprehend their context.
Totally, and isn't it wild to think that this could change how we approach math education in the future?
Definitely. Imagine students using AI like Alethea as a tutor. But then, what happens to critical thinking skills?
That's a concern. If students rely on AI too much, will they even learn to solve problems independently?
Exactly. It's like a double-edged sword. AI can enhance learning but also risk creating a dependency.
Right, and we should also consider how this impacts the job market for mathematicians and educators.
That's a huge question. Are we heading toward a future where human mathematicians are less needed?
But here's an interesting thought. Could AI like this actually free mathematicians to explore more abstract concepts?
That's a cool perspective. If AI handles the routine problems, humans could innovate and focus on creative solutions.
Exactly, so it's not all doom and gloom. It could lead to a new renaissance in math.
But I still worry about the ethical implications. How do we ensure AI doesn't perpetuate biases in mathematical problem solving?
That's a critical point. If the data it's trained on is biased, the outcomes could be skewed.
Right? It's like needing to scrutinize the training datasets just as much as the AI's outputs.
Exactly, so as exciting as superhuman reasoning sounds, we have to keep a critical eye on its development.
For sure. And it's not just about the math, but how it reshapes our understanding of intelligence.
Absolutely, it's like we're at this crossroads where AI could redefine education, reasoning, and creativity.
I love that idea. Balancing AI's capabilities with human intuition could lead to breakthroughs we can't even imagine.
Exactly, so where does that leave us? Excited but cautious, right?
Definitely. This whole discussion makes me ponder. How do we ensure AI advancements serve humanity positively?
That's a profound question. Balancing innovation with ethical considerations is the key, I think.
Agreed. It's going to be fascinating to see how this all unfolds in the coming years.
For sure, it'll require all of us to stay engaged and thoughtful about these developments.
Absolutely. And I'm looking forward to diving deeper into these conversations about AI.